ChatGPT is here to help everyone. If you're one of the few people that live under a rock and don't know what ChatGPT is an AI created by OpenAI, and its main function is to respond to text-based questions. It can also give you a recipe to how to bake a cake, or it can write an essay for you. Overall, ChatGPT is your assistant. Or is it? Honestly, didn't we have enough movies that tells us that robots are bad?
Can a robot turn a canvas into a beautiful masterpiece?
Yes.
DALL-E 2 is a new AI system.
So why are we still making them? Even the script is made by ChatGPT.
The power that this AI has is crazy.
So it didn't come as a surprise to me when they announced that ChatGPT can now write code. So I asked him to give me a simple movement script, and you cannot believe what it did. It worked! What the fuck? So it got me thinking, can we actually make a full game using AI generated stuff? Starting with my character, Shiza. As you all know, he has different styles. So let's see if the AI can make him. A cute boy with an orange t-shirt, black hair, and a gaming headset. Oh god, forgot to add digital art. Wow, that's good. I mean, it's not... Oh my god, this is actually really cool. It looks like fan art made by a robot. I didn't know you were a fan, man. By the way, this is literally me when I saw it work for the first time. For the idea, I came up with this top-down space shooter game because it's hard and simple at the same time. So I started by generating some spaceships until I found one that I liked. As you can see, the AI didn't generate the top of the spaceship, so I fixed that. With our spaceship ready, the only thing left is to add it into the game. The way that I liked the movement to work was that to rotate in the direction that it's moving. The hard part about this was that because the game is 2D, the AI didn't understand what I meant, so at first it flipped the player's sprite. So this time I mentioned that I wanted to move in the 3D dimension by rotating in the Y-axis, and then it worked perfectly. So let's generate something for the background because this is very boring and bland. So I generated some, find the one that I liked, make it bigger, and add it to the game. I also did use the runway AI to make the images bigger, but it didn't work. So with that, let's just work on the shooting mechanic. I used Hotpot because DALL-E was not working for some reason. So I asked the AI to write the shooting mechanic. It did, but with no delay. So I asked him again, and it worked fine. God, this is getting so boring. Speed round! I asked the AI for some ideas for the enemy, and it came up with space sharks. I generated some, find the one that I like, and I added to the game. I generated a code that follows the player and has a health bar. Also give them the ability to shoot and their own kind of bullet. This is really cool. Then I generated the player's health, asked the AI what font should I use, then I added the health and the font into the game. Then asked for a reset button code, then I added that into the game, and the game is done. If you want to hear my thought, honestly I do not know how I feel about this. Because obviously it's very powerful, but you cannot use it without not knowing how to program, because you have to be very specific about what you want, and being specific comes with having experience in programming and in game development. So like I said, it will become a good assistant. For now. But what I'm really sure of is that the AI will never be able to do this. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this type of video that I do, you can watch this other video that I have. And thanks for playing my game.